How to install Decky Loader in 60 seconds. Press the Steam button and switch to desktop mode. Go to System Settings, Users, press Change Password and enter your password. Open the browser and type in Decky Loader. Click the Decky Loader GitHub page, then download Decky Loader. Move the file from downloads to your desktop. Open the file, press Continue, enter your password, select the release version and press OK. When installation is complete, restart your Steam Deck. Press 3 dots, select the Decky Loader icon, then go to Search and install the plugins you want. Thanks for watching, like, subscribe and check out my new videos about handhelds. See you soon!